Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I wanted to continue the Boto3 series, and today I want to talk about storage class and how we can query storage class with Boto3. So right now, I'm just in the AWS console, and you can see I have these two S3 buckets. So I'm just going to drill down until I get to a particular object, and we're going to check its storage class. So you can see here, there's this field called storage class, and right now it's in standard. So storage class is basically how the data is stored in S3, how fast you can retrieve the data, things like that. So by default, everything starts out in standard storage class. And if, say, you didn't really need this data to be readily available, you could put it into a different storage class and you would be charged less money for it per month. So a lot of people take advantage of this for stuff that they don't need every day. So like old files, like log files or audit files, stuff that doesn't need to be readily available. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the storage class on these two objects to Glacier. So we can just edit the storage class here. So actions, edit storage class. And you can see there's a ton of different storage classes. So, you can see they have a design for frequently accessed data. We're going to put it in Glacier. So this is long-term data archiving, retrieval times ranging from minutes to hours. So yeah, let's just put it in Glacier. And now that we've changed two objects to Glacier, we're going to query it with Boto3. And we just want to see what class all these objects are in. So first, I'm just going to import Boto3, and I had some videos on how you can do this, but I'm just going to start from scratch here. So import Boto3, and then we need to generate this S3 resource object. So I'm just going to call it S3 resource equals Boto3.resource, and then just the resource we're working with is S3. Now I'm going to make a bucket variable and set it equal to our new S3 resource object and give it the bucket name. So this needs to be the name of whatever bucket you want to query. So I'm interested in that Francis destination bucket. And now we're just going to loop through that bucket. So we can say for bucket object. So this is basically a new variable we're making, bucket object. You can call this whatever you want, and we're going to say in bucket dot objects dot all. That's basically just going to list everything in that bucket. And what we're going to do is make a new variable called storage class. This can be named whatever you want, and basically the bucket object has these properties, and one of them is literally called storage class. So normally when I think in some of the older videos, we were just getting like the name. So the name you can get by, let's just call this object name. We can get at this information by going to the bucket object dot key. So now we just print these values. So we can print, let's say this is the key. And we're going to give it the object name, and we'll do the same thing for storage class. This is the storage class. Actually, let's put it on one line. This is the key, and this is the storage class. Just capitalize that, I guess. Why not? This is the key. All right, so let's just go give that a shot, and it should work. All right, so this is the key, and you're seeing it's giving what the key name is, and then we're seeing this is the storage class, and everything's in standard, it looks like. But remember, we changed two of them to Glacier, so here they are. The first two are in Glacier. So that is, that's how you query the storage class. It's pretty simple. This bucket object has a bunch of different properties like that. You can get at like the if the objects happen to have tags, you can query the tags too for a particular object. So for example, I don't think these have any tags, but where is it? Edit tags. Why can't I edit that? Oh, because it's in Glacier. That's why we can't edit it. All right. So if we went to a different one that was in standard storage class, we could edit the tags, and you can query that information. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. That's something I recently learned and actually used. It was pretty useful to know how to do this. And yeah, just wanted to make a quick video on how that works and how you can do it. All right, that's all I have. Just wanted to keep this short and sweet. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please subscribe and like. And if you want to see more Boto3 videos, just let me know, and I can make them. I like working with Boto3. It's fun. All right, talk to you later. Bye.